Hello, my dear friends. This is Mbonyi. I have a very exciting news. For those who might not be able to attend the Icyambu Live Concert number 3, for the first time, you can join us from anywhere in the world through an exclusive live stream for just a very small contribution. And don't worry, if you can't catch it live, the recording will be available for you to watch within 24 hours window. Now, this is your chance to be with us, to worship with us, to experience God's presence live with us. So, mark your calendar, get your ticket right now. Let's celebrate together wherever you are in the world. East Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, the whole Africa, Asia, America, Canada, Australia, Europe. I can't wait to see you guys. This is your link right now. Join us right now. God bless you. We'll catch up later.